Hello everyone, Thomas here, the creator of Independent Academy. Today I bring you another tutorial on the Money on Chain platform. And this time we're gonna learn how to mint Bpro. So, by now you should have a clear understanding of what the token is, a way to long Bitcoin and earn passive cash flow while we do. So you can see that our wallet right now is at 0. So let's change this. You can also see here that our Bitcoin is slightly above $200. So we're gonna, by the end of this tutorial, we're gonna mint $200 into Bpro. All right, let's do it. We're gonna go in the side menu, where we have all the tokens, DOG, Bpro, and MOC. We're gonna go into Bpro. All right, here, this is the important part. Bpro amount is 0. All right, let's change this. So here we see, this is where we are going to mint. And we see how it's saying you will exchange Bitcoin and you will be receiving Bpro. So what we are going to do is we're gonna change 0.006. No, I'm not gonna change all my Bitcoin because I want to leave some there for the fees. Remember that anything that we do on Rootstock requires paying fees in BTC. So you never want to exchange all your Bitcoin for Rootstock, for Bpro, because otherwise your Bpro are gonna be stuck in your wallet because you're not gonna have any Bitcoin to pay the fees for transactions. All right. Now, on top of the transaction fees, we have the protocol fees, and these are the ones that we can choose to pay with MOC or with BTC. If we pay with MOC, we pay a little bit less. So if we pay with MOC, we pay 0.25% as a fee. If we pay with Bitcoin, we pay 0.3. So it's slightly more expensive. It's not that much, but I have some MOC in my wallet, so I will use this and save myself a little bit on the fees. So once we are clear that this is the amount that we want to exchange, you can see here is the amount in USD. Like I said, we're gonna exchange $200. So we click on mint. Now we get this confirmation window that's telling us, okay, you're gonna lose this amount of Bitcoin worth $200, but you're gonna be gaining this amount of Bpro that is also worth $200. And this is the amount of MOC that you will pay on the fee, roughly almost 5 MOC tokens. So we click continue. And now we're gonna be prompted to confirm the transaction in our wallet. This might look different depending on the wallet that you're using, but it's pretty much the same. All you need to do is click confirm. And now you just need to wait for the transaction to be broadcasted to the blockchain and added into the actual blocks themselves. Usually it takes around a minute, maybe 2. I'm just gonna stop the video here and skip to the part where the transaction gets confirmed. And there you have it. Operation has been successful. So this means that it went through. So we just close. And what you will find out now is that Bpro amount is no longer at 0. It's at 0.005 and basically $200, which is what we wanted. And if we go to the home button, we will see that the total amount of the value of our asset went down a little bit. That's what we spent it on fees. So if you remember, we had 208. Now we have 207.18. So that's what we lost on fees. But here in Bpro, we have $200 worth of Bpro. And remember that Bpro earns you passive cash flow. So here, the liquidity mining program, you can find the MOCs that have been rewarded today, and the ones that will be ready to claim right now is at 0 because we just minted all the new Bpro. Alright, well, that's it. I hope you find this useful. Let me know if there's anything that was not clearly understood. If you're watching this on YouTube, leave it in the comments. If you haven't already visited the Independent Academy website, here is where we are creating a library full of all the tutorials, all the information, and everything you need to know in order to use these kind of technologies effectively to become more independent. And if you are on the Academy and you have any questions, all you need to do is click on the newsfeed, and that's gonna redirect you to where you can post any question you have, any feedback, anything that we can help you with and that might help us improve the Academy. You just click there, post it, and I will answer to you personally. Alright, well, I see you in the next one, and I hope you found this useful.